doing the factorization. We have read the many types of the factorization before. Now today we will discuss the two more types of the factorization that we will discuss over here. In exercise 5.2, question number 1 we are going to solve. In question number 1, here are the 6 parts are given. The few parts I will solve for you so that the both type of the factorization covers over here. So the first part is here, that is x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4 minus 3. First minus 3 is here. We have to split this value into two terms so that we can make this a whole square, x raised to power 4 plus 1 over x raised to power 4 minus 2 minus 1, because minus 2 minus 1 is also equals to minus 3. So we have split that in such a factor so that this minus 2 we can combine with this and we can make this a whole square. We can do this as, this is a perfect square of x square. This is a perfect square of 1 over x square according to minus 2 into a mean x square into b mean 1 over x square. And this minus 1 that is left we will write as it is over here. You can see that if we will open this we can get this. If we will open this we can get this. If this is cancelled by this, it's equal to minus 2. It means up to here, from here to here, this is the formula of a minus b whole square. This is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this can be closed as a mean x square minus b mean 1 over x square. A minus b whole square and minus 1. Now you can see these are the two terms with the sign of minus between them. And we have read the formula of a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. We can write this as x square minus 1 over x square. Square is the square of x square minus 1 over x, and 1 is the square of 1. This is now a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b, a minus b. A is here x square minus 1 over x square plus b is here 1. A is here x square minus 1 over x square minus b is here 1. So this is the factorized form of this given expression. After this we will solve its next part, that is part 2. Now the first step of the factorization is to take the commons. First we will check this expression. Can we take any common from here? Yes, 3 and 12 they both are divisible by the same number 3. So here 3 will be the common. X raised to power 4, 4 times 12 and y raised to power 4 is left over here. Now from this expression you can say that x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4 is the expression that we have to factorize. This is the factorization of the type in which here are the two perfect squares with the sign of plus. We have read the factorization with the two perfect square with the sign of minus, but this is the two perfect square with the sign of plus. So here we will have to complete the square. We don't have any formula for this. So we are going to complete the square, because x raised to power 4 is the square of x square and 4y raised to power 4 is the square of 2y squares. For completing the square, this is a square plus b square plus 2 into a mean this x square, b mean this 2y squares, a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have a square here, we have b square here, but this 2ab that we wrote ourselves over here, that we generated ourselves over here. So if we generated this ourselves, we added this ourselves, then we'll have to subtract this as well. Minus 2 into a into b. Now this is a complete. Whenever there are the two perfect square with the sign of plus, you are going to do the same factorization there. You will go for the completing square, and whatever you are adding here, you will subtract that as well. So here now, we'll close this formula, bracket, sorry. Now from here to here, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula of a plus b whole square. So we will close this as x square plus 2y square whole square. Then this minus 2x square y square. Minus 2 multiplied by x square and y square, it will be minus 2. Sorry, this is not only y square, 2y square is here. That is 2y square. So this is the 4x square y square, that will be right over here. Minus 4x square y square. Now you can see here that 3 is the common. That's why this 3 will be right outside. Here now are the two terms, and they both are the perfect square. This is the perfect square of x square plus 2y square. This is the perfect square of 2xy. So this is a squares minus b squares will be opened as a plus b into a minus b. So we will write this a squares minus 2xy squares. So this is now a plus b x square plus 2y square plus 2xy x square plus, here this is 2y square minus 2xy. So this is the factorized form of this given expression. Okay, here in part 3, you can see here are the three terms. We can't take any common here, and we can't apply here any other type of the factorization we have read before. But here now we will go for the factorization that's related to the previous type of the factorization. We will have to pick out any two terms which are the perfect square. A raised to power 4 is the perfect square of a square, and 4b raised to power 4 is the perfect square of 2b square. So first of all, we will arrange this as a raised to power 4 plus 4b raised to power 4 plus 3a squares b squares. Now you can see from here that on these two terms we can apply the previous method that in the previous part number 2 we have used, and this third term we will write as it is, because here are the two perfect square with the sign of plus. So this is a square 4b raised to power 4 is the square of 2b squares. According to formula, we will write 2 into a mean a square into b mean 2b square plus 2ab. Then we will have to write over here minus 2a mean a square, b mean here 2b square, and then this term was left over here, that is plus 3a squares b squares. You can see that this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. You can close this as a plus b whole squares. A mean a squares plus b mean 2b squares. A plus b squares minus 2 times 4 a squares b squares, and then plus 3a square b square will be right as it is. In the next step, a square plus 2b square whole square. They both have the like terms, mean a square b square, a square b square. We can simplify them as minus plus minus. If we will subtract 4a square b square minus 3a square, plus minus 4 plus 3, we will get minus a square b square. This is the now perfect square of itself and this is the perfect square of AB. Here are the two terms, a square plus 2b square is the perfect square of itself and a square b square is the perfect square of AB. This is now a square minus b square, that is opened as a plus b into a minus b. So we write here a mean a square plus 2b square plus ab, a square plus 2b square minus 2ab. Okay, this was the third part. Two different types of the factorization we have discussed over here. The part 4 is same like the part 2 and part 5 and 6 are also same. So the part 4 I should do over here. Okay guys, here again this is 4x raised to power 4 plus 81, the two perfect square with the sign of plus. So 4x raised to power 4 is the square of 2x squares plus 81 is the square of 9 plus 2, a mean 2x squares, b mean 9 minus, then this we have read ourselves, we have added ourselves, so we'll have to subtract 2 into 2x square into 9. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab will be closed as a plus b whole square. A is here 2x square plus b is here 9 minus 2 times 4, 9 times 36 x square. This is the perfect square of itself, 2x squares plus 9 whole squares. 36x square is the square of 6x. A squares minus b square will be closed open end, the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. A is 2x squared plus 9, a plus b is 6x. A minus b, a is 2x squared plus 9 minus 6x. This is the value of b. So this is the factorized form of this. So from the last two parts, 5 and 6, I will solve only one part from here. The one hope so you will be able to solve yourself. In part number 6, we will use the same method here. That is about the three terms, which two terms are the perfect square over here. Now you can see that all the three terms are the perfect square. So which two terms we will pick from here? This will have to judge from here. We will check for this. Because if this is x raised to power 4, this is x square and we will take this 4. 16 is the square of 4. 4x square into 2. 4 2 times 16. That we cannot get this one. It means this 4x square we have to write at the end, or what we'll have to do over here, because we need any two values here and the next value we will have to shift at the end. So I will check for this x raised to power 4 if plus 16 and this plus 4x square I will write at the end. If I apply this formula on this x squares, this 16 is the square of 4 plus 2 according to formula. A mean x square and b mean here, that is 4, and this I will write at the end. If I have added over here, I will have to subtract this as well, minus 2 into x square into 4 and this is plus 4x square. If I will close this up to here, this is the formula of a plus b whole square and I will solve this. Yes, it's okay. You can also try these two first. If you cannot get the value over here, that is the perfect square, then it means you are not going in the right way. then you will have to change the terms, change the arrangement of the terms over here. So here this is a square mean x, a mean x square plus b mean 4 minus 2 4 times 8x square plus 4x square. Plus minus minus, we'll subtract this with greater value sign is minus. This is 4x square. This is a perfect square of itself. And minus 4x square is the square of 2x. A square minus b square. It will be a plus b into a minus b. X square plus 4 plus 2x. X square plus 4 minus 2x. So this is the factorized form of this expression. So today we read about the two types of the factorization. If there are the two perfect square with the sign of plus, and if here are the three terms from which we will have to separate the two perfect square with the sign of plus, and the third term we will have to write at the end over here, and we will complete the square over here. Hope so this will be clear to you and you will be able to solve the rest of the part 1 that I left over here. Thank you.